Hey there, I'm Stratza from Poet Software. Let me show you how to set up the stocks input. Let's go to Data In. We'll click on Stocks. We've integrated 12 Data as the data provider. So you'll need to set up an account on their page. At 12data.com, you'll need to select the pricing, Grow, Pro, Enterprise, or a custom plan. Then, in your profile page, head to the API keys section and copy your secret key. Then paste it to API key in Poet Software. After selecting the exchange and stock, you'll see the data parameters update with the current market values. Price, the current price, the opening price, close when it closed yesterday, the change, how much has it changed, that same change in percentage, has the price gone up, has the price gone down, is the market open, and this is working with a delay of 1 minute. The currency is US dollars, the stock name, and the exchange name. Now, how can we use these data parameters in our contents? A very simple way is using the text content. As you can see, I've prepared some of them. We have the stock name. How do we get the stock name to be displayed in our content? Here, we click the link icon. Go to stocks, click here, and hit OK. Same with price. We have a current price text and an open price text. These are simple text. And we have an open price. We did the same as with the stock price. We click here, and then in parameter, we click open, then hit OK. We're going to stop the scheduler for a minute to show you something. Continue. So having a preset done, like so, first setting up your layers, we want to get something like this. So first, get your layout, set up some layers, remember to name them. Then in presets, drag and drop to wherever you want them to be. All right, let's do some contents with the data parameters. And I've also created two triggers. One trigger for when the price goes up and another trigger for when the price goes down. Triggers will determine the behavior of our contents. Let's go to contents. I've set up this relaxed ripple and I've linked the stock's change percentage to its color from light blue to green. So if there's any change here, it'll be visible. We are also interested in knowing when the price goes up or down. So I've created a price up ripple and a price down ripple. In case you were wondering, this visualization here is the output. Remember that you'll be needing a layout per content. This means that we're going to have 3 different layouts. One for the basic ripple, one for the price up ripple, and one for the price down ripple. Then we're going to have one control group for these 3 different layers. With the scheduler running and the stocks as is, we have this content. Let's force the price up and the price down to see the contents change. We do so clicking over the trigger, and we click on manual on. There it is. This means that the price has gone up. Let's switch it off and leave it in auto for when this actually happens. Then price down. If the price goes down, this content will be shown. How is this done? Easy. You'll be needing triggers and states in the scheduler. As you can see, I've created a time input as to determine when will the content be shown. So I've created a trigger and named it sunrise to midnight. like so. Going to the scheduler, remember, we'll be needing triggers and presets. We have a basic display that has a sunrise to midnight trigger. This means that the ripple, this means that the content will be shown from sunrise, Madrid sunrise is 7 a.m., until midnight. We have a state for price up. And how does it work? We have a trigger, remember the trigger that we did here? A price up that it'll show the basic displays and the price up ripple. If the price goes down, there's another state for it called price down with the price down trigger and the price down preset. And it's very easy. You create a state, you drag the trigger, that'll trigger the preset. So if this happens, this will be shown.